All right. So I thought, why not do another pair? Because I'm actually interested in a pair as well, and that's the XY. That's gold XAUUSD. So I kind of a little bit did a start already. I'm just gonna break it down again. See what we got here. So we came above here. Oh, I can't remember this. I can remember this. No, what? No, it's not this one. It's this one. Was it trading here already? Yeah. And then didn't came above there. So yeah. Yeah. Let's just dig into that. So we got a low, high, higher, low, no higher, high four. So we got this liquidity pool on the weekly, which we can target and will probably be taken out. We got, so I'm gonna do a little bit different than the other one. Focus on liquidity first. See where we have liquidity, where we took liquidity. See where we reacted from, and then based on that, we're gonna move. So before I mark out any structure, I just mark out the areas we reacted from, and then yeah. So that was the weekly. Then daily wise, what can we see? We got most recent structure here. So I already marked out some stuff over here. We came above here, got a sell off. I don't think we reached discount after coming here. Nope, so that's still valid as well, but this is on the daily. So daily wise, we can see we had bearish structure from here, high, low, lower high, lower low. Then we have some liquidity over here building up. We took some liquidity over here. Actually, I like to do it like this now. Analyze here because I need to see to the right. Came below here, got that liquidity as I said, tapped into this beautiful demand zone on the weekly, daily, broke above, then we start to form minus structure on the 4 hour here. So we can actually see, I might like remove things as well that I currently drawing on. So we got a low, hold up. Let's just focus on this. So we got a low, we got a high, return to discount. Yep. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. So this is really looking better than fucking GJ. I should stop swearing. Sorry. Then GJ. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. And we got the bearish break, we got the bullish break. So we got this structure here. We currently in this inside this kind of daily range, I would say. I don't know why I didn't do that yellow. That's annoying me. Got that range expanding. So if we go to the 4 hour again, we can see that we were building up liquidity over here. Look at this trend line. But far more important, why is this here? We got a high and low. Oh yeah, bullish break, right? So over here, that's the bullish break. And then we react from this area here. And we got structure realignment over here. Basically on the high time frame, working with this area. Like this. 1 second. Wacht iets achter, Loes. Loes! Nice. Always nice to have a sister that plays music way too loud. All right, anyway, let's get back to it. So, and then we got so this I will class as liquidity on the high time frame. Yeah, I essentially know that I want to see it getting below there. But for now, we're playing this structure. You see high, low, lower, high, lower, low. And I can see a structure realignment if I'm correct. So we got a low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, lower, high. So we are still inside this. All right, so let me now. Yes, we can use this, but I want to use this one actually. Because this is way more interesting. So we can look for shorts on gold. We are above. So yes, we got these equals up here, but we also know we took this internal high kind of, although we are expecting higher highs. So we reckon from that, we are expecting higher highs. We got quite some impulses, but we can see the slowdown over here. Then we can see that we are forming bullish structure here, break to the downside. Then this internal structure is bullish here. But overall, we have this dark blue range. And we can look for sales. Go to the 1 hour, check. Yeah. Or let's stick with this one first. And we can see that we have this liquidity pool. It's been taken out. And then from here, we can look for sell setups. We got big liquidity building up to the downside as well. So yeah. So gold would mean I'm not even on the 15-minute yet. I don't know if that's needed, if you can mark it out that clean. So we got bullish structure, And then we are above this. What did I forget to do? I forgot to mark on this one. Bullish break, continuation up. The high time frame equals, which are pretty interesting, but for now, we got this. We are above these highs. We are above this high. So a short from here, it would be very valid, and then maybe longs into that. That would be very nice. You also see some form of liquidity over here. So still, this is all high time frame. If I go to the 50-minute, we can probably see some nice internal range structure as well. So here you got most recent structure to work with as well. You got low, high, higher, low, higher, high, liquidity grab, and a continuation mode. So until we reach that area up there, we can look for longs, maybe from this area. And this will be my 15-minute range for now. Midi grip, bullish break, return to discount, continuation, return to discount, continuation. Now if we go here, previous daily high taken. What was happening here? No, sorry, this was previous daily high. Oh, this is actually nice. So if you trade gold, or is it not? So this was your previous daily high. You can see that we took that. Then we got minor breaks. Hold up. Come on. We got equals building up over here. With Asia low. You can see this 5-minute break over here. We have this 50-minute supply zone. And then, yeah, I will show you on the 50-minute. So yeah, then we got the sweep of both this one and this one. And then if we go lower, oh yeah. So 50-minute supply zone. It's a tricky entry, not gonna lie. But essentially you get your early sellers over here. Not really. No, to be fair. Not really. This one is the cleanest area. I don't know if like gold works with sessions or just moves, because it seems like it just moves. Although a little bit less in Asia and a lot there in New York. But then still you get a low, high, high, low, higher, high. Oh, sorry, high. On the 50-minute, fuck, my bad. A low, a high, a higher low, a higher high. Taking our previous daily highs, you get that bearish break. Then we get a 50-minute. You can class this entire area. You can just use the POI here. I would, if you use the entire like supply zone from this low up to this high, you can see that we reach into the 50% of that. So we can go to the 1 minute. And on the 1 minute, what can we see? Well, we can see our liquidity building up over here, liquidity taken. We can see some early sellers over here as well. And this one, sorry, It's messy. So you get your early sellers over here. And price trickles up, trickles up. And you can wait for your 50-minute POI. Just stops in. And then you need to wait for like a 5-minute shift, which we get over here. Not the cleanest, but we also get one. So you could pass this as your 5-minute maybe. This would be my 5-minute shift probably, or this one, but this is more of a 1-minute. Well, let's take the 1-minute. So we got a low, low, high, higher, low, higher, high. I think this is return to discount. This is where you get a yeah. Bit tricky this. Here you get the break and then you get the clean entry. So you might take a loss here. Early sellers taken out. Essentially is liquidity pool. Then bullish structure. Here you get your bearish break. Let me just go for that 5-minute shift and see what we get. Like risk to reward wise. Not much, I think. Short. Right, so this is like 450, so 3, somewhere around here. Oh, it's actually decent. So 119. I have no idea. Well, let's go with that. It seems to be valid. And you get your 1 to 4, right? Oh, there you go. So 5 minutes. If you just wait for that 5-minute shift, see, I just trust the plan on this one. This is your bearish range. This is your Asia low is essentially your bearish break after taking the previous daily high and Asia high. Trickling down, you get your early sellers. Then you get that 5-minute market shift, although it's just a, what's it called? A wick break. And then you get your entry like that. Oh, that's actually nice. And you target that liquidity. It's 1 to 4. And it actually goes to 1 to 7-ish. So 6.5. That's actually clean. That's perfect. Although, yeah, this break is not really the strongest, but this one is better. Taking that Asia low and having this liquidity here. Well, you don't know this low is liquidity, but you know for a fact that you target 1 to 4 anyway, or 1 to 4.5, 1 to 5, and you know that you are above this. Zoom out. You know that you're above this liquidity pool. Previous daily highs taken. You know that this leg has not much liquidity, so your partials, like I would probably then target like this. Well, not that far, but maybe actually just based on that range, yeah, you could target that far, and then you take your partial at 1 to 4, 1 to 5, and then you hold those like the peanuts and they get taken out. But essentially, it makes sense to target lower as we're above those highs, and because we're above previous daily highs. I like it's a bit of a puzzle, still puzzling. It requires slightly higher time frames. For now, what I'm seeing, we got liquidity building up here, so it's a bit tricky, but yeah, for now it looks quite good. All right, so that was a breakdown on gold. thing. Let me go one more time so we got bullish structure here, liquidity gap continuation up. We got these equals above here from 2020, 2022, 2024, 2023. Who knows? Might take that out. If we take that out, we can look for shorts deeper or into the discount. We know that we're above this high, and we know that we broke bearish on the dark blue structure. So shorts on the dark blue structure makes sense as well. Therefore, after we break bearish on the dark blue structure, we can see that price comes back into premium, got a liquidity pool taken. So sells from there are perfectly valid. They're perfectly valid based on liquidity. Then if we go lower, we got this light blue structure as well, which is still valid for longs from this low up to this high until now, but we can see this liquidity pool taken. We have this bearish range on the dark blue structure. So we might just see a sell-off from here, or from somewhere up here. And yeah, that's basically it for gold. Like it. All right. This might be something. All right, peace out.